Hi, I'm Jay Manzano, and I'm doing a little marketing for our company, Unlimited Construction. But really, I did it for a purpose where, in essence, both my kids are in First Robotics, and they like engineering and things like that. So I myself is also a mechanical engineer. Okay, so I wish I had this type of opportunity back then to join, because I think this is a great opportunity for the kids and parents. You know, I applaud you guys for supporting them, because these are the building blocks that I think are necessary to get your kids to the next level, whether it's from college and then getting hired by companies. And what we're doing in construction is that the main key of construction really is project management. Every project success is a well-managed project, and you know, I appreciate James from inviting me, teaching you guys what the building blocks of project management. And we can apply it right now into First Robotics, and even you can apply it simply as building your own home, things like that. Just the main goal is what we do here also with Unlimited is we take young, bright kids like your kids, and when they're in college, we have a summer program where we actually hire them and to work at an entry level, just to see if they even want to work in our construction field. They may or may not end up coming to Kauai, but we're Kauai based, so we like to actually hire from within. We've learned that people that live on the island stay on the island, and of course the parents would love them to stay here too. But, one of the things that we do use, like I said, is a schedule. I'll pass this around. Just shared, it might not be enough for everyone. So if you could just look in it's just quick. I just did this morning, and one of the things that we are going to do is to track all the activities. So the 8 major divisions here, we call it the fundraising, machine shop. You know, I still need to fine tune it to make sure that it's actually what each department is doing. But I just wanted to show that I'm not going to build it. I'm going to teach the kids that are interested in building this. And it's going to be my kids. James said he's maybe interested in doing the field that I'm in. But, and we'll see. I'm not pushing him or anything, but he seems to be interested. So I think I'm going to teach him, and I would teach your kids, whoever wants to volunteer, same way. Okay. But look at the top. It's simple things like the fundraising. Okay, you just categorize it, and we have steps. And you go inside. Okay, print the flyers, and then drive to get. This is just an example. Drive to get tickets. We could be easily just getting the tickets printed out, or the flyers. We already have that printed out, and then they got the tickets, and then setting up a booth at Walmart, and then picking a date when we're gonna choose the winner, and then distributing. Okay, and it's grafted in here in timeline on the dates and time frame, and that's how we're going to manage every section, where everyone is going to know their goals and duties, and that's how you manage it really well. Because some kids, okay, oh, I think I have to do it, but without looking at your schedule, you don't know how many days you are coming up. So, like I said, we're going to treat it similar to like we do our projects, whether it's $1,000 project to $136 million project. The basics are all the same, so it's going to be applied in First Robotics, and you guys are going to get a chance to get your skill set early on, which I wish most of us did in our younger days. And in a separate topic, on a more detailed engineering one, like I did volunteer to do some CAD. I know that we can build some of the stuff. It's two-dimensional, but you could use AutoCAD. I wish I brought some, but it's just simple, you know, where you actually draw lines, and they're getting so technical nowadays. You can be in 3-dimensional. So most of all of our plans are two-dimensional, but I think the new technologies, they're going to make it 3-dimensional. Again, I think you guys are going to get the opportunity in college probably to do that. But we'll do the basics on AutoCAD, whoever's interested on anything we need to do. Could be as simple as we get our box And if before you lay out all of the tools inside there, you take the pieces, oh, how big is this going to be? So then we put it over here in this corner, and before you actually stuff it inside there, you can almost plan in advance. Or any, if we're going to get an area, I think last year we had a court that we had to regulate and see what the dimension is, and you can lay it out, you know, here or in the gym to figure out how many sheets you need and all of those things. So we can do all of that. So anyone's interested in that is welcome to join our team. But in construction, like I said, I'm a mechanical engineer. We do everything because we have electrical engineers, electrical, mechanical, architectural, civil. So all of the engineering group right here, and that's why we do like talking to engineer-based people, because you can use all of that in construction. It's just to go over with you guys. All right? Any questions?